A family of 20 lions, including 6 cubs, born to 2 sisters. The cubs have different characters, some playful, some aggressive. These 2 are the twins, a male and a female. A couple of weeks younger are 4 males. One is smaller, holds back, perhaps a runt. Even in the womb, some cubs get more nutrition than others. This little misfit risks being pushed out of meals by his stronger brothers and falling further behind. Male cubs need friendships that will evolve into coalitions as adults to start new prides. Playing together is vital to their future. The older twins set the pace. Chasing and fighting are their favorite games. They're getting stronger all the time. The misfit is missing out. Cubs want to form bonds. One of the twins approaches the timid cub. At first, the misfit is just scared. He tried, but he finds being part of the gang hard. As the dry season progresses, buffalo are drawn to the few streams and lagoons around the river. Hyenas follow. If hyenas or leopards find the cubs, they'll kill them. Keeping them alive is a difficult job for the mothers. 9 out of 10 cubs die in their first few years before they're big enough to defend themselves. Night is the most dangerous time, and the mothers need to persuade the reluctant cubs to hide and remain hidden. The mothers can't stay with the cubs. As the pride's best hunters, they're needed elsewhere. Lions hunt cooperatively. They run at the herds of impala and puku, hoping to find a weaker individual. Sickness or injury is quickly punished in the African wilderness. The antelope are fast, built to avoid cheetahs. Buffalo are like tanks, slower, but it takes the whole hunting team to bring one down. Few hunts succeed. The buffaloes just canter away. While the females hunt, the 2 brothers roar out their ownership of their 60 square kilometer territory, broadcasting their strength to rival lions. Roars also intimidate other predators, particularly hyenas. The clan lives in a lion-proof den